Vicky, you've been coming to see Dr. Hurst for a long time. Tell us why you keep coming back.
Well, I really like how his focus seems to be cosmetic. I've known people from other states that would fly in and have some cosmetic done, and so there's the real professional side, and then he's real people too, and I like that about him. He is very cosmetic oriented.
Yeah. But you were saying that, he's very good to work with you on the pain front. If anything happens to feel, you just
raise my hand and they stop immediately and take care of things.
Yeah.
So I don't hurt, and I rarely get bruises or anything like that. Nice. So it's, I know you're not supposed to have a positive experience at the dentist, but I do.
Well, that's actually what you're supposed to have. What the rest of us have had sometimes is not to be recommended to anybody. So what are the staff like here?
I really, really like the staff. He's really good at picking staff, and I love to work with Jerry at the front desk because I can say, okay, this is my budget, this is what I want to accomplish, and we'll actually sit down and plan it out. With the 1 or 2 year plan with cosmetics, we've done that around the insurances.
Yeah. So, are you about done? Or do you still need to keep going?
Yeah. Yeah.
Done with the cosmetic work, and you've got this gorgeous smile now, but you still come back to just regular dentistry when you need it.
Yeah, and I just do like the fact that they call me when I need to come in and things like that. It's just
give you a reminder.
Convenient. One thing I really like is I'm a really busy woman, so it works, and when I get to work it's busy and it's crazy, so they're really good about the time frames at the front of the day or at the end of the day. Okay. Last day appointment. Yeah. And so that works well for me.
What time does that work out to be, a last appointment?
Between 4 and 5.
Right.
I've been here after 5 before. Yeah. So that's nice.
So they'll fit you in whenever they need to.
Right. Yeah. And it depends on what they're doing, but I just find that really accommodating. Yeah. For my job and for my lifestyle.
Yeah. So good to be able to fit you in and get you done what you needed to be done.
That's true.
Okay. So clearly you're happy with Dr. Hurst and the office, and
I really like the fact that I know he's a grandpa and he's a family man, and Jerry and him, they've just been doing this a while, and there's a lot of comfort in knowing that they know what they're doing. Okay. And so you would do this 8 to 12 hours a day, and right. I don't have that pressure,
So you would recommend them? You would recommend the office and Dr. Hurst?
Yeah. Definitely would.
Okay, so thanks a lot for joining us today, Vicky.
Yeah, and if you want a real person working on your teeth and no scary guy, come to Dr. Hurst.
That's a good recommendation. He's not scary. Thanks, Vicky.